So we already talked about the SPF and DKIM. Basically, SPF check your email envelope and DKIM is check your actual message validations, whether it's tempered or not. And DMARC is a combination of both SPF and DKIM. It's again kind of a text record like SPF and DKIM, which you need to set at DNS service provider. Let's say what is DMARC record format. So first and foremost, you have a V is equal to DMARC1, that's the DMARC version. Then you have P is equal to reject, none or quarantine. Basically it's a policy. So if SPF or DKIM fail, what you need to do, you can set here. Then you have a RUA and RUF. Basically you need to set the admin email address where you need to send this report. Now RUA is aggregate report. It tells the summary of the email in XML format, sending IPs and volume, SPF and DKIM result, DMARC alignment and other information. Now other report, which is a forensic report, which is basically related to a personal email address and other details, header and IP info. So basically it's related to email address, that's why it's called the private one. So normally the email provider by default not provide this report. Now next you have a app0 is equal to 1 and 0. So app0 is equal to 1, that means the forensic report is enabled. And the last one is PCT is equal to 100. So if you want to apply this policy for 100% email or 50% email, the email provider, let's say Office 365, randomly select and apply policy for those emails like 50% or 10%. So when you start this record, the best practice is you start P is equal to none and then you set as a quarantine, and at last you can set at reject. So that's way how you can set the DMARC record and you can enhance your email security.